What does gaming sound look like? With the JBL Quantum range, it looks like this. JBL has engineered the most accurate spatial audio in the game. JBL Quantum surround sound uses individualized algorithms to keep you fully immersed and equipped to win. Boom microphone for epic clarity plus echo noise suppression delivers supreme voice fidelity. Lightweight, durably designed premium memory foam ear cushions, perfect for epic gaming sessions. JBL's Quantum Sphere 360-degree surround sound and integrated head tracking sensor more accurately positions sounds in the game, a true competitive advantage. JBL's Quantum engine powers a proprietary PC software suite for personalized surround sound, mic, and light customization. Active noise canceling eliminates unwanted background distractions for full focus. Unique game chat features developed for the most popular chat app in the world, Discord. All gaming platforms compatible. PC, Mac, Xbox One, PlayStation 4, Nintendo Switch, mobile, and VR. Dare to listen.